Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yunez Plans, and today I will be doing my November monthly highlights video using this stunning kit from Sadiestickers. It is in rose gold foil and it is just amazing. This is one of the last spreads in this particular planner. I have one more monthly spread to do and then I am done, which is so crazy. I have never completed a full planner before, but I did it, and yeah, so without any further ado, I'm gonna lay down the base of the spread and then get back to you with the highlights from November. Okay, so starting off on the first, I'm going to mark it the same way that I've been marking it in my monthlies this whole entire year, and I'm gonna layer this beautiful piece of floral from the Sweet Planner with a bowstrung box from the Giving Girl. This is actually from her fall colorway release. It's this beautiful burnt orange, and oh, I just love the way that it pulled into this spread. I thought the colors matched wonderfully. I was just really obsessed with this. The Hello November script is from Rose Colored Days. The flourish that I pull in is from Crafts by Towie, and then the leaf cluster is actually from Honey Inked. It's from one of Rachel's freebies, which is actually available to purchase on Honey Inked shop, so go give it a check out if you've been curious to try any of Honey Inked stuff. All of Rachel's freebies are available to buy, and it gives you a really good taste of what Honey Inked has to offer without having to purchase a whole bunch of stickers. Really good deal. I recommend go checking it out. On the second, I wanted to mark that me and my husband had a huge Netflix binge. I'm pretty sure we binged all of Cobra Kai on this day. So good. So to mark that, I use a label from the kit, another Starburst from Honey Inked, and that TV icon is from the Sweet Planner. It's a little bit large for a weekly spread, but I thought it pulled in really nicely for a monthly spread. On the third, I wanted to mark that I did a deep clean of my house. So to mark that, I'm using one of these beautiful boxes from Bloom Paper Studio. That cleaning bucket is from the Fox and Pip. They have two different sizes at the Fox and Pip. You can get this cleaning bucket in a Happy Mini or the regular size icon, which again works perfectly for a monthly spread, but is a little too large for a weekly spread. And then the flourish is another from Honey Inked. On the fourth, I wanted to mark that me and my husband and my younger brother did some karaoke in our in-home studio, which was a lot of fun. So I pulled in a scallop box from Meg B Makes. The little microphone is from the Pretty Pink Co. On the fifth, I wanted to mark that me and my husband had a huge grocery run. So to mark that, I used another box from Bloom Paper Studio. It's kind of the size of a third box, but a little bit more narrow. I don't know, I really like the way it fits in a monthly box. The girl is from the GP Studio, and then the custom grocery shop script is from my mom. On the 6th, I wanted to mark that I went to the gym with my younger brother. So I used another label from the kit. The little workout girl is from the Fox and Pip, and the vine is from Honey Inked. On the 7th, I wanted to mark that me and my husband had a date night. Once again, that little sticker is from the Sweet Planner, a little too large for a weekly, but I love the way they look in monthly. So if you're looking for monthly highlight stickers, definitely check out the Sweet Planner. Also, their floral deco sheets are the bomb. On the 8th, I wanted to mark that this was Rachel and Tay's Plans Change episode number 8. So to mark that, I used a box from Sweet Bella XOXO, a piece of Vine Deco from Honey Inked, and the little girl watching her tablet is from Papershire. On the 9th, I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class, so I used a box from My Newest Addiction, another piece of floral deco from the Sweet Planner, and the little shoe is actually from the icon sheet that came with the kit. On the 10th, I wanted to mark that this was the day that we got our kitty neutered, which was an unpleasant experience for him and actually for us as well. It was like, wow, it was round the clock care for him. I don't think I've ever been that worried and like obsessed about like a pet. Like he was so helpless. We had to get him a cone and he couldn't like do anything on his own. It was very stressful. I sound like a crazy cat lady, but it was like one of those times I was like, oh, I can't leave the house. Anyways, on the 11th, I wanted to mark that was Veterans Day, so that's another script from Rose Colored Days. On the 12th, I wanted to mark that I filmed a plan with me. That flat lay is again from Papershire. On the 13th, I did my nails, so that nail appointment script is from Pink Leaf Prints, and then the swoosh flourish is from Honey Inked. On the 14th, I wanted to mark that I had a balloon gig, so I channeled my inner Rachel and I layered a scallop from Honey Inked, or a mandala from Honey Inked with a scallop half box from Panda Bird Design, and then the little balloon dog icon is from Plan Fantastic, and then the custom balloon gig script is from my mom. On the 15th, I wanted to mark that my sister FaceTimed me. This was before she moved home. So to mark that, I used a label from the kit. The FaceTime icon is from My Newest Addiction, and then the little floral divider is from Honey Inked. On the 16th, I wanted to mark that I did some sticker organization. I really focused on organizing my collection this month. So to mark that, I used a flat lay from Papershire and then a label from the kit. On the 17th, I wanted to mark that we had another grocery run. So to mark that, I used another girl from the GP studio, and then the grocery shop script is from Planner Kate. On the 18th, I wanted to mark that I visited my adopted grandpa, so I used a scallop circle box from Miss and Meow. The piece of deco is from Meg B Makes, and the car is from GP Studio. On the 19th, I wanted to mark that I had a YouTube binge, so I used a label from the kit, and that little girl is from Fox and Pip. She's a whole mood, and I love it. On the 20th, I wanted to mark that I had a good old bath night, self-care, so I used another scallop box from Meg B Makes, and the little bath time girl is from Papershire. On the 21st, me, my husband, and his grandmother went to one of his cousin's weddings here. This was the very first wedding I've ever been to during the pandemic, obviously, and there were masks and like little hand sanitizer bottles with their initials on it, which was actually kind of cute. If you have to have your wedding during the pandemic, there are little cute ways to make it safe, and luckily enough, it wasn't too big. There weren't that many people there, but so it was like very small and intimate with like a lot of family, and that was really nice. So really loved that. To mark that, I used more floral from the Sweet Planner, a fancy box from Sweet Bella XOXO. Those two rings are from Sweet Tea Plans. On the 22nd was a huge laundry day, so to mark that, I used a third box from Panda Bird Design, and those adorable little socks are also from the Sweet Planner. I love using those to mark laundry. It's kind of different, but super cute, and I adore it. On the 23rd, I had a lot of anxiety and was just, not having a good day. So to mark that, I used a label from the kit. This little not feeling it guy is from Ashley Ann Laz, and the little squiggle is from Honey Inked. On the 24th, I had a Zoom class. I actually subbed it for my sister. So to mark that, I use a piece of excess cut washi from Sadiestickers kit. This little yoga girl is from the Fox and Pip, and the heart cluster is from Honey Inked. On the 25th, I wanted to mark that I purchased my new functional planner on this day. So again, I used another third box from Panda Bird Design. The little planner is from Daily Dose of Stickers, and then the little divider is from Honey Inked. On the 26th, this was my mom's birthday, so to mark that, I use a balloon cluster from Paper Shire, and the happy birthday is a custom that she made for me. On the 27th, this was Black Friday, so I just marked that I shopped for stickers on this day. On the 28th, we had a game night with our friends. On the 29th, we went to my husband's grandparents, and then on the 30th, I played a lot of Animal Crossing. I had to speed through that because I was getting close to the end here, but here are the leftovers of the kit, along with the Viv Wiggle. If you guys have any questions about any of the stickers, please leave it in the comments below. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!